have the 2018 Dodge Charger Hellcat. This is one of the most affordable and best mods you can first do to any Mopar that you get. These should honestly come stock like this. The sound, the aggression, and the affordability you cannot beat. All right, so it's a muffler delete. We remove the mufflers right in the middle, just replace it with a pipe. Super simple, super quick. It doesn't take too much time or too much money. These are the stock mufflers right there on the floor, guys. The next move, if you guys want, you could do the rears right here. Remove those. You could also replace the tips, but you do it a step at a time. That way you can hear how the car sounds and go at your own pace. Guys, gexhaust.com. You can get any system you want shipped straight to your door. We also have intakes, and if you want to own a franchise, a G Exhaust franchise, open a location anywhere with 30% profit margins on about $1 to $1.5 million in revenue a year. Ask for a franchisee packet by going to the links in the description, and we'll send you more info. Guys, drop a comment below and let me know how this sounds.